This video demonstrates how the force precision property affects percentage values in Sankey chart for Excel. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the Node Properties pane to change the properties. Click on the Percentage section. By default, each node displays a 2-decimal percentage value, ensuring a cumulative total of 100% for all nodes at this level. The chart behaves like this when the Force Precision button is turned off, slid to the left. You can disable this feature by sliding the Force Precision button to the right, that is turning it on. Click on the Apply button. Each node displays an integer percentage, and the sum of percentages for all nodes at this level is 99%. Click on the Save Changes button. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.